Wow, what a beautiful afternoon. And of course, there's a bird there. You can see a bird, white bird. And of course, this afternoon is very windy here in our place. And there's a beautiful sight to see. You see the waves, the beautiful waves of the fish pond, of course. And up there, and far from there, you can see houses, many houses. And before there were few of them living in this place, living on that place, so taking pictures. As you can see, uh, the wind the wind blows so cool in the air. It's very cool, yeah. And I wanted to capture this moment, to see the beauty of nature, and in the afternoon, if only, or in the morning, if only I get a permit to fish, I'll be doing some fishing. So this is it, and good afternoon. That ends my vlog for a while.